For the past few days, this meme of people's deepfake singing the song Baka Mitai has been really popular. A lot of people are wondering how it's done. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Baka Mitai meme. And don't worry, you won't need any powerful computer for this. If your computer can just run a browser, you can make this simple deepfake video. You can actually also do this on your phone by following the same instructions. So without wasting your time, let me show you how to exactly do this. So the first thing you need to do is you have to go to your Google Drive account and create a folder with this exact name. First -order -motion -model. Make sure you don't mess it up and put something else here, or else it's not going to work. You can copy the name of the file from the description. Now you will need to put 4 different files in this folder. To get those files, simply go to Google Collab link that I have put in the description below. And after that, you will see something like this. Then click on this Google Drive link right over here. And after that, just ignore everything else and scroll down, and you'll see these 2 files right over here. Select both of these files and then right click on the mouse and click on make a copy. And click on my drive, and from here select those 2 files, drag and drop them to the file that we created earlier. Now you have to rename the file's name to its original name. For this, all you have to do is erase the part which says copy of. Now the other 2 files are going to be a photo and a video. You need to make sure that both the resolution of the photo and the videos are 256 pixel by 256 pixel, and the video is less than 30 seconds long. For the picture, I'm going to use this picture of PewDiePie. The resolution of this picture is not correct here because it needs to be 256 pixel by 256 pixel. Now you can use Photoshop or any other photo editing software to crop this photo to 256 pixel by 256 pixel. But for this, we're gonna use Canva since it's really easy to use, plus you don't have to download anything. I'll put the link of Canva in the description box below. Now once you click on the link of Canva and sign up with your Gmail account, you'll see something like this. From here, click on create a design, then select custom dimension. Now put the width and the height to 256 pixel. Now here on the left hand side, click on upload. Now upload the picture of the person you want to use for this meme. Once it's uploaded, simply drag and drop it here. Now resize it by clicking on its corners and fit it to the frame. Just make sure that the face is on the center. Once you're done, just click download. Also make sure you're downloading as PNG file, not JPEG, or else it's not going to work. Now we have to upload this picture to the folder we created on Google Drive earlier. Just drag and drop the picture to the folder. And now right click on the mouse and rename this picture to 02. And for the video, I'll put a link to it in the description. You can download it from there. Once you have downloaded the video just like the picture, upload it to the folder. Now you have to rename the video to 04. Now that we're done creating the folder, all you have to do is go to the same Google Collab link as before. Now press the play button right here on this box and then click run anyway. Press the play button on this box here again. Now we have to mount our Google Drive here. Just press the play button. And then click on this link. Once you click on this link, you have to allow some permission so that this tool can access those files from the folder. Now you will get this code. Just copy it and then paste it here. After that, follow as I'm doing. Once it looks like this, it means you're done. Now all you have to do is download the video. For this, click on this folder icon here and you'll see a MP4 file called generated. Click on that and download the video. Now you got the video. All you have to do now is use any video editor as you like and speed the video by 300% and add the audio by yourself. I hope that you will be able to do that by yourself. And that's it. You're done. This is how you make the Baka Mitai meme. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this from me. Bye.